Hello children, let's learn numbers 1 to 10. Let's take the colors. This is white, blue, yellow, red, green, and this is black. Let's take blue color. Number 1. This is 1. Yellow color. Number 2. 2. Red color. Number 3. 3. Green color. Number 4. 4. Purple color. Number 5. 5. Let's take brown color. Number 6. 6. Black color. Number 7. 7. Orange. 8. 8. Green color. 9. 9. Pink color. 1 and 0, 10. 10. Let's read again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.